In this video, I am going to teach you how to deposit money to your Kraken account directly from your bank. This is helpful if you're ready to fund your crypto trading account with fiat currency. Let's get started. Go to kraken.com and sign into your account. Make sure you have verified your identity first to unlock deposits. Next, click Deposit in your Kraken dashboard to start the process. Choose Cash in the options so you can see the different available currencies. You can now pick your preferred currency. For this video, I will choose Euro as an example. Now choose the deposit method you want or the one that is available for you in your country. Just click the box to confirm you understand the instructions and select I understand to proceed. Now you will see the bank details like account name, number, and other instructions. Use these to complete the bank transfer from your online banking or local branch. And that's how to deposit money to Kraken from your bank. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy crypto guides. See you next time!